Wednesday, July 12th, 2023, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals they approved a $185 million deal for minor league players. So the settlement had a huge impact on minor league baseball players. Basically, there was a lawsuit, Senne, SENNE, against the Office of the Commissioner of Baseball, which was filed in February 7th, 2014. But basically, on Wednesday, the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals granted a summary affirmation or affirmance of the $185 million minimum wage, or its wage and hour class action lawsuit between minor league baseball players and Major League Baseball. It concluded more than 9 years of litigation, allowing more than 24,000 minor league players, or resolving that, who sued for unpaid wages. Basically, they weren't getting minimum wage, or they weren't getting overtime when they went over a certain number of hours during season. So what happened in March, Judge Joseph Sparrow awarded $55 million to plaintiffs' lead lawyers. So lawyers end up getting $55 million of the $185 million. Now the players are each going to get about $5,000 each, depending on when they played and where they played. But the case has a huge impact because basically it gave judicial approval of that. These professional athletes, when there's enough control asserted over them, the fact that they're going to be employees. With as much control the UFC and Bellator and the other fight leagues exert over them, basically telling them what to wear and when to wear stuff, and their morality clauses, what they're allowed to do and what they're not allowed to do. Man, it's going to get very interesting in the next several years with respect to that. I'm predicting that in the very near future, someone will file a very similar lawsuit, a class action lawsuit on behalf of the athletes who fight for Bellator. Similarly, there's going to be a class action lawsuit against UFC guys based on this resolution that happened on Wednesday of last week.